Quay, back with another video. And guess what we're doing? You know it's February and we got to do the Izzy and Liv unboxing. The brown sugar box just came in the mail. Let's see what we got. I'm so excited. I hope y'all can smile. So you already know the routine. It comes in a box, and the bag's in the box. So, oh, she is beautiful. And wait a minute. So, of course, it says Culture, Confidence, Soul. And it's a little bit different. Or is it just me? They changed their box. I am feeling this. Let's see what we got. So this is called okay, so the first thing you see is this. Ooh. Let's see what we got. Okay. So it says delayed, not denied. So this is, ooh. I don't want to read all this. This is a lot to read in by me wearing contacts and my vision is -13. Yeah, I can't see that well, but this is beautiful. This is Cicely Tyson. Can you see it? Rest in peace, my beautiful black queen. This is beautiful. So, of course, this is the pamphlet, and this month's theme is, let me see, get brand new. So, let's see what we got. Okay, so the first thing is Divine Eye Pencil Shadow Shed for $20 is one set of 6 pencils. So, no, one of 3 sets of 6 pencils. What's wrong with this? Let's see here. So let's see what we have in here. I don't really wear makeup, so I would probably give this to a family member. Sorry, y'all. It's a habit. I know I should not be doing that, but it's a very big habit I have. I actually do have this here. I don't know where my scissors is at. Okay. So this says Eyes Brown. Eyes Brown. Ooh. Ooh. I like these, but I wouldn't know what to do with them. I wouldn't. So I will give this to my cousin Simone, because she is the MUA, a beautiful makeup artist. I am so proud of my little cousin. So I will be giving these to her. These colors is pretty nice. Okay. So these is 6-piece eyeshadow pencil set. So you put these, I guess you know. I never seen nothing like this. So this is really different. And this was for 20. Okay. Then you have a t-shirt. You always get a sweatshirt, t-shirt, something in that sort. And this is the Skin Flossing Lips. Hold on, let me read this on here, because let me not being able to see that well. It's really hard. But look at this shot. Izzy and Liv, you done did it again. I'll be wearing this very soon. So it says skin flossing, lips glossing, hair popping. Yes, I can see me in this. See me in this. Yeah, I got on shorts, so though. Yes. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. So yeah, that was 28. So it's like a 3/4 sleeve. I like stuff like this. This is, you know, it's pretty decent. Okay, so this is chocolate. Oh, chocolate celestial blow under eye mask. So this is 5 packs for $15. So it's right here. Chocolate, huh? Ooh, you know that melanin is popping. Look at it glistening. I like this. Okay. I be so animated sometimes. I'm feeling happy today. I really am. Ooh, I really like this. So it says depuff, detoxify, bright, and re-energize under eye area. Don't mind the background. My daughter is in school. She's in 1st grade. So yeah. Okay. Oh my. What else do we have? Okay, we have a lip palette. So this a Flat Girl Forever lipstick palette. This 25, so one set of 10 lip colors. And I might just be trying one on today. You know what? By me not wearing makeup, like I think I will start with, I'm gonna keep this for myself. We finna come up with a look, y'all. We finna come up with a look. So this is that. So let's see. We're gonna open her up. Look at this. Look at this. Look at it, y'all. Look at it. They is so beautiful. I really love my culture. IZZY and Liv be doing their thing. Honestly. Ooh. Okay. It says Slay Sis Everyday Collection. So this is me. So I'll do like this. So it's going in with a brown. This brown right here. There we go. This is much better. This is much better. So that I turned on my vanity. Just to let y'all know. What, Tamaya? Okay. What? Tamaya. It's giving a look. I am not an expert on makeup, so. But I am a very talented person, and I can really, you know, do some things. So. I really thought the box was gonna be like love theme, but it's self-love theme. Okay. Okay. I got some little lips, so bear with me. That light. A little bit more. Okay. I think I want to add some gloss to it. So we're going to use some of my lip gloss. So this is one of my wearing tubes. So we can give it a little shine. Oh, yes, baby. Okay. We're gonna come out with, bear with me, y'all. This look. So I'm gonna do this. I don't know how to do this. So okay, it's not enough. No, I don't know what I'm doing. But oh, oh, okay. Okay. Y'all see it. Throw that over there. It's a look, honey. I have eyelashes too, but who in the heck finna do all that? I ain't no professional, but I did pretty good. I'm FaceTime my man. Yeah, so he can see how this looks. Cause I don't wear makeup. But so this is the finishing look, y'all. Let me put some earrings in. Let me try to put some earrings in. Some type of earrings. 1 second. Cause I know I got some earrings. Hope y'all don't see. I know for a fact I have some earrings up here. Wow. give y'all a look. Oh baby, do you see her? Yes. But I don't have, hello grandma. I'm doing a video. How you doing? You can't wait. Look at this. You see your grandchild? Mm-hmm. The makeup, grandma.
Oh, what makeup?
Oh my god, it's on my face.
What's your lips?
My lips and my eyes. Okay. Let me give it like. Y'all should see my grandma's face, cause she know we not the type of women that wear makeup a lot. So she was trying to really find the makeup. So I'm gonna show you, grandma.
Oh, you put some eyeshadow on. I see it now.
Y'all look. Oh my god, look at me though. And I did it myself. So this a look. That melanin skin is popping. Okay. Okay, that look though. It kind of blends together. Oh, you kind of turning on the TV. Okay, so okay, I'm actually going to keep this for myself. I don't wear makeup, but I do wear a lot of lip gloss. Sometimes I wear lashes. Sometimes. No, look at this. Oh yes, ma'am. No, for your eyes, grandma. For your eyes. You put that on your eyes. I'm feeling myself. Okay. Okay. So yeah. So the last and final thing. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things in the box. 5 things in the box. So this last thing is Always Fresh, Never Pressed manicure set. So it's 1 of 5 set of 24 nails. Baby, we finna do some makeup, hair, and nails today. Well, not hair, but okay. And these are press-ons. Myself. Okay, so this says Tribe Called Queens and Ash Blues. If it got some blue in here and blue is, ooh. Okay. She just just snapped myself right on my head. Okay, can I get a bag, grandma? Yeah, you got some long nails now. Ooh. Yeah, you know blue is our favorite color. Red is my second. Gold and white is my third and fourth. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. And by me having little fingers, y'all see my little fingers. Ooh. I'll do this another time. Y'all see it. Some of it came out. But it's pretty, y'all. It's pretty. They must have knew blue was my favorite color, but baby, do y'all see me? I look cute. I gotta take some pictures. Let me get this back. So that was all for the IZZY and Liv box. And they never disappoint me. Never. They always do their thing. I love me some IZZY and Liv. With this brown sugar box, honey. Did I tell y'all the price?
Oh, that's people that sell the shirt.
Huh? Yeah, the IZZY and Liv people.
Yeah, let me see your shirt. I know you got one.
My grandma love the shirts and the sweaters and stuff. I like that. Yeah.
I like that.
You know they always slaying. They always slaying. So yes. So that was it for the box. Y'all see how I just put some stuff together, and I did pretty good. I am proud of myself. See, I'm very artistic also. So I can throw anything together, baby, and make it look good. I am very talented. Ooh. So yeah, they really changed it, and I like it. You see how different the box look? Pay attention.
Okay.
Yes, I can get a little clumsy sometimes. Yes, I can. Yes, Izzy and Liv, you did it again. So I will talk to y'all later. I hope y'all like the look. I will be posting some pictures on my Instagram right after I'm done editing and stuff. Well, actually, right after I'm done with this video, because I feel myself looking good. And I will be tagging Izzy and Liv because, baby, adding my lip gloss to it. This is part of my lip gloss collection. So this is the wine glasses. Yes, give it a, like, it's Maddie, I believe it's Maddie lip gloss. Yes, girl. Yes, I did that. Okay. I'll talk to y'all later. Have a blessed day. Love yourself. Be true to yourself. Kisses. Talk to y'all later.